Smashers Hollywood Hookup.
Hey, new movies to check out this weekend. The newly pregnant Rachel McAdams stars along with Jason Bateman in the comedy Game Night. It looks pretty good.
We're down to 2 teams, so for double points, what is the name of the purple Teletubby?
Tinky Winky.
You're both correct.
He always carried a
Red purse.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now.
Max is very competitive, as am I. It's one of the reasons I fell in love with him.
Oh, it's easy. He was an Incredible Hulk.
Eric Bana.
Other one.
Mark Ruffalo.
Other one.
Lou Ferrigno.
Primal Fear.
Richard Gere never played the Incredible Hulk.
Time. Jesus Christ. Ed Norton.
Oh, Primal Fear.
Guys, what do you say we do this at my house next week? This will be a game night to remember.
Oh boy.
Tonight, we're taking game night up a notch. We don't need a board and we do not need pieces.
We won't need any extra rudeness either.
Someone in this room is going to be taken.
Oh, it's a murder mystery party.
Fun! Whoever finds the victim wins the grand prize, the keys to the Stingray.
Just the keys?
No, Ryan, the whole car.
Oh, yes! I just want to wish you the best of luck tonight. Bye. Baby, hand me those matches. I'm about to burn this door down.
You're gonna light a fire in a windowless room that we're trapped in.
Why you gotta make my idea sound stupid?
You're not gonna know what's real and what's fake.
Is this gun real?
Oh, no, Annie.
Oh, no. Oh my God, I shot you!
What the?
I've always enjoyed the camaraderie of good friends. Often we don't appreciate what we have until it's gone.
Oh, because your wife left you.
So we'll take a little bath. Oh, it's so much worse. Okay. I have one idea. It's so crazy, it just might work.
You're gonna crash the car into the plane like Liam Neeson in Taken 3?
He did that in Taken 3, huh?
You missed it.
Thanks, baby.
This is instructions on how to remove a bullet. It didn't have rubbing alcohol, so I got you this lovely shard.
Good idea. Way to pivot. What is helpful in country living?
Oh, that's for later. There's a corn chowder recipe that looks really good. You love corn
Sweet,
chowder,
I do.
huh?
Yeah.
Let's cheer
Thank
you
you.
up.
All right, and then there's the sci-fi thriller starring Natalie Portman called Annihilation.
Can you describe its form?
No.
Start from the beginning.
What do you think I do when you're away? You think I'm out in the garden pining, looking up at the sky? Why aren't you here?
I gotta leave a day early.
Your husband's here.
Let me see him.
He's extremely ill.
You have to tell me where he was, what he was doing.
It was his decision to go in. It's something they termed the shimmer. We've sent in drones and teams of people, but nothing comes back.
But something has.
You're a biologist. You served in the military.
If I knew what happened, I could save his life.
The boundary's getting bigger, it's expanding. We're talking cities, states.
You need to know what's inside. So do I. It's beautiful.
Check this out.
It's like they're stuck in a continuous mutation.
Anything interesting in there?
No. Sharks have teeth like that.
It's not possible.
You can't crossbreed different species. What is it?
The soldiers on the last expedition.
They went crazy, or something in here killed them. Something's come through the fence. Through the fence?
We have to go back.
I can't go back.
We can camp here tonight. It's destroying everything.
It's not destroying. It's making something new.
Smasher's Hollywood Hookup.